Today, I'm gonna make a salty dog. A salty dog is a classic cocktail made with vodka and grapefruit juice, served in a highball glass with a salted rim. The salt is the only difference between a salty dog and a greyhound cocktail. Vodka may be used as substitute for gin. Nevertheless, it is historically a gin drink. To start, the trim glass. Put some ice. 50 ml vodka. Okay. Fill with grapefruit. Actually, this is a 4 ounces of grapefruit juice. Garnish with lime wedge. Straw. Enjoy your salty dog.